beautiful wife and kids that he have at home, he's still going out to shit. My brother, when they talk like that, not put matter. If you put my daddy, why you shut it?
M.O.P. Sleep of Talk.
You're just smiling like you're surprised, like, oh my God, the boy is so handsome. Eh? Yeah. You said what? Fuck you. Okay, if you say me better, I go insult you. If you talk to me, I go talk to you back. I'll be like that very dark man, or you curse me, I curse you. The way they affect me, I say they affect me. Oh. Let me come back to you. What's up? How you doing? Sorry. Fuck shit, man. About the country not balance. So DJ, what's up, boss? How you doing, man? Nice one, man. I'm Mike, if it's happy, don't know you. They say, oh, now, borrow money. Alpha. But they affect everybody, Abby. See that useless boy, they talk about side chick and all those work. My brother, no joke, you know, say, marriage, yeah? Marriage na court, oh. Now, when you marry, you go, nothing na court, now you enter. You know that when you are not married as a single guy, if you wake up by 1 a.m. Now, what's how they talk now and they discuss? Oh? Madam, your husband? Okay, they speak people mind. Oh, I'm speaking your mind, yeah? Oh, wow. Don't worry. Your boyfriend or your husband? Boyfriend. Do you check his phone? You check it, right? Continue to check it. Let all of us go through the problems. What happened to me last week will happen to everybody. Check on this night again. You know that when your wife wake you by 2 a.m., they come tell you, say, Peter, sit down. I need to talk to you. They give you shame, you sit down for the middle of your parlor. You know, say you don't die. Because that's how they show you the phone. They tell you, what is this? And they show you. I say, man, you know they wake up. Oh, you're going to clear. I say, what? If you wake up, coma. Women powerful. You know, say when you single, you feel wake up by 1 a.m. say, man, my enter Lekki. Try it when you marry. As you just wake up, say, I want to go Lekki around Farm City. Your wife will say, okay, now my address, now all of us they go. They crazy. Women powerful. You know say woman now go answer you question when go put you for problem. If you and your wife they watch movie, for the movie and all these Nigerian movies, then I go punish them. Oh. You do your own. They watch movie. For the movie, the man come they shit on his wife. Your wife go control the question give you. But they go do like say not be you that they try and give you. They go say, now wow. With the beautiful wife and kids that he have at home, he's still going out to shit. My brother, when they talk like that, not put matter. If you put my daddy, why you shut it? If you put my, you don't die. Just like say you don't know what they happen. Women, powerful. Which day now my wife just wake up now? He say, honey, if me and you they waka, somebody, I can't find somebody trouble, they can't point me gun. What do you go do? I say, why will you go find person trouble when they get gone? Can't you find a normal human being's trouble? And no jokes. Nigeria is still the best country on the surface of the earth. But we were in UK, me and M.O.P and the Edo we go UK. When I saw the UK passport, I shocked. If you see what they write for the passport, the UK passport, you go shock. And that passport, anywhere you see, read them. Our Britannic Majesty, Secretary of the State, request and require that in the name of Her Majesty, all those who it may concern to allow to pass the bearer to pass freely. Now, if you hold the passport, any embassy when you did, you go waka pass. Nobody go stop you. He said, without let or hindrances, nobody. And he goes say, and to afford the bearer such assistance and protection as may be necessary. Now, be say if you did the embassy or anywhere and you did stranded, you can walk to any of the immigration and say, give me £100. They will give you. Yeah. I don't say you never go, don't worry. People when they go, they tell you. They will give you. This passport now when the queen did, when the king come enter, the same thing. Check your mind, sir. He said, His Britannic Majesty, Secretary of the State, request and request. You know, sir, everything the same. You don't see our Nigerian passport. I beg, give me the other mic. You don't say our Nigerian passport. Man, get the other mic. Phonesies. Okay, who are you? Give me the other mic. Make more than see on our passport. Che. Okay, who are you? Talk to me now. Person when don't travel, they talk to you. Can you behave yourself? Billionaire is talking to you. Come up here, man. Are you mad? Who are you? Take mic. Talk to me. I be cutting so you dey crazy. You don't know where I come from. Nah joke. Who are you? Take. Read them for me. No, I want me to see something. No, now me to see them. Okay, now go school. Oh, sorry. Okay, you know someone big man there, but one person a driver. Sorry. No. My bad. Sorry, bruv. You good, bruv? Cool, bros. Fuck you. Baba. You there, Grace? Are they talk to people? They come back. Okay, you want me to notice you? Oh, lamb. No, this one not be like who go school. Don't worry. No, Baba, wait. On the stress, so take. Read that. You don't fear to read. Take. Read that for me. Oh, lamb. Read. Oh, yeah. From the top. On a Nigerian passport. Yeah, from the top.
This passport remains.
No, from the top. Read me the year you wear.
Caution.
You the year on a Nigerian passport. Caution. They first threaten you. You see on a country. They threaten you. Caution. Put it. Hey, put the UK on first. Put the UK on first. See what they're. His Britannic Majesty. You say. Read on our own.
This.
Hey, from the top again.
Caution.
Threaten you. If you misbehave, they'll beat you. Continue.
This passport remains the property of the government of the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Pause. You say. Passport when you use your money to. They tell you that federal government I get them. If you misbehave, bring her back. Continue.
And might be withdrawn at any time.
You the hear anytime you misbehave, hey, bring our passport, submit them. You are mad. Continue.
It is a valuable document and should not be altered in any way.
Wait. Then they perform. You wait.
Jesus.
Hey, quiet. Hello. Continue your performance. Continue again. Fuck you. Continue.
It is a valuable document and should not be altered in any way or allowed to pass into the possession of authorized person.
Is that finished?
If lost or destroyed, the fact.
Wait. Talk that place again.
If lost or destroyed.
You there, because they know say we get hot temper, we fit destroy them if you provoke. Continue. What did they worry this one? Are they walk you, they laugh? Are you mad? Am I playing here? Continue.
Alright, it said if lost or destroyed, the fact and circumstances should be immediately reported to the passport office, Abuja, or the arrest Nigeria.
What did they worry?
Baba, take your passport with only one visa, Uzbekistan.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like the video, drop your comments, and turn on the notification button so you see other beautiful videos when they drop.